First, let's connect this power cord. This is the power cord. Then this is the interface of the power cord. Connect the power cord to the instrument. Now connect our communication line. Connect ports A and B to the sampling and control ports of the instrument. Then, the other end is connected to the computer. Notice that it's an inverted trapezoid. The interface of the instrument is also inverted trapezoidal. Just connect the alignment instrument directly. Plug it in first, and then tighten the screws on both sides. Then connect our water pump. The pump has a power cord and water pipe. Unscrew this nut at the water inlet first. Then put on this plastic tube. Then insert the pipe into this water inlet. Tighten the nut. The water pipe is connected. Then there is the power supply. There is a gap in the power supply here. Then aim at this protruding inlet pump. Direct the power cord. Then tighten. This pump is installed. Then put the pump at the other end into the bucket. The first time you use it, you need to pinch this black balloon twice. Then drain the air inside. Fill the entire water pipe. Finally, connect the drain pipe. Unscrew the nut first. Then put it on the drain. Then connect the water pipe to the instrument. Tighten the nut again. Then put the other end in the waste bucket.